Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix unable to connect to realms on Minecraft Xbox step by step. Now, if realms won't load, keeps failing to connect or kicks you out, these are some of the quick fixes that are going to help you to get you back in. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, before making any of the changes into the settings, you just have to do this one thing. You need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Minecraft Realms Down or Minecraft Down. So when you search for it, you are going to see the first link from downdetector.com website. So after clicking on it, this website is going to basically show you this type of graph, which is going to basically let you know if anything is working properly from the Minecraft's end. So here, if Minecraft server are down, you are going to see the red icon here, or it will show that Minecraft is having a problem. And in the graph, you will also see a drop in the last 24 hours. So if you see any kind of graph drop or any kind of red icon over here, you just have to wait for some time because you can't do anything because the problem is from the Minecraft's end. But if you see that everything is working properly on Minecraft, you can try these steps. So here, the most effective method for you to basically connect to the realms is with the help of restarting your Xbox. So you need to press the Xbox button, then go to the highlight Minecraft. After that, press the menu button and click on the option of quit. So you can also restart your Xbox, and this clear if everything is working properly. This clears stuck network sessions and fixes the realms loading for many players. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.